Hey friends, so this is super exciting. I wanted to let you guys know that the Not Just for Boys Kit Club has offered to sponsor a giveaway on our site. So super exciting. Actually, they are also in my 6x6 paper pad class. I'm gonna go like that because it keeps flickering. Are in the 6x6 paper pad class, and they know that I've been using a lot of my Not Just for Boys Kit Club products in my 6x6 paper pad class, my mini paper pad class. I'm gonna go like this. So that way we have one thing on the screen. So I was really excited about it, and it's super generous what they're gonna give away. So it's for the US only, because right now shipping is crazy worldwide. There's a lot going on with that. So what I'd like you to do is leave a comment down below if you're YouTube only for my class and you live in the US and you're not in the mini paper pad class. So leave it down below. What I want you to do is go to the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I'll leave the link right down below there. Go to their site and tell me something on their site that you are digging. That way I know you've gone to the site. Now, if you're in the paper pad class, I will link this video there and do the same in that class. Only enter one time, please. Honor system, it's the right thing to do. And you can screenshot a picture of something you like or just describe it. You can leave a link, whatever. So I'm going to leave this open from now until next week. Let me see how the calendar is running. From now until next week on Saturday night. So it's going to be up until, yeah, actually it's going to be kind of cool. So what you can do when you win is on the 1st, Not Just for Boys Kit Club will be announcing their new kits as well. So when you win, you get to go to their site. I will let you know that you're the winner, etc., etc. I'll contact you. Then you can go to their site and pick out a kit of your choice. So you can pick out one of the existing kits, right? So let's say, let's go to January, for example. And right now they have the renewed kit is still available. Super gorgeous. I'm playing with it right now. It actually has a navy Heidi Swap color shine, which is my it's my second favorite mist to use in the whole world. I have a thing for the Jen Hadfield Gold Mist. We're digressing. Anywho, so you can choose whatever kit is available, including the new kits that will be coming out on the 1st. So there are lots and lots of fun ones. Like, oh, the Crescendo one is sold out, guys. It was a music-based one. It was so cool. Let me go back to current kits. Anywho, I'm looking. You guys can look for yourself. You can figure that out. Anywho, so go ahead. Oh, this one was really cool too. I loved the Vicky Bouton papers that were in this one. So you can go there and pick out a kit of your choice, and they will send it to you directly instead of them sending it to me to send to you, so you can get it a whole lot quicker. Their customer service is spot on as well. So that will be the contest. So rules once again are comment down below if you're YouTube only for my channel. Comment in the mini paper pad class if you are part of our mini paper pad class, and leave either words, links, photos, whatever, of something rather groovy that you have found that you like over at the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. I happen to be absolutely obsessed with their acrylics right now. Absolutely, oh my gosh, they are so cool. And look at, like, they have these super cool patches. They find the coolest stuff. Anywho. So go ahead and leave that down below. I can't wait to see who wins. I'm super excited for you guys. And thank you so much, Not Just for Boys Kit Club, for sponsoring this super cool, fun prize. That's it for today, friends. Bye-bye.